In this video, we are going to show you how to plan a course using Poppy AI. Now, if you want to create a course outline for your class, it's quite simple. We need two things. We need the source material that we're going to use. So we're going to use this specific book right here, right? From Google Scholar, right? This is a good source for anything scholarly, article, book, etc. So once we have pasted here, so again, make a new board, right? So it's not confused, right? So once you have pasted and uploaded that source material here, you want to click on AI chat. This is step 2 and connect it to our source and just prompt it. You can go as in-depth as you want. Just make sure your prompt is clear because Poppy Chat can hallucinate just like any other LLM. So here you want to say or prompt, I want you to create a course outline using the resource I have connected. Now, sometimes this is enough, but sometimes Poppy Chat can be stubborn. Only this, no questions asked, because sometimes it's going to ask you some dumb questions and hallucinate even before it starts. So all we need to do is press enter. Now it's going to analyze the resource material that we have, and it's going to create us a good course outline. So as you can see, it is now creating our course outline. This is about woodworking for beginners. So there we go. It's going to break down everything in modules, right? So it's creating an outline for us to study, right? So as you can see here, we are now done. And even it even put course duration, the prerequisites, materials that we need, and outcome. So once you have been satisfied with what you can tweak this, by the way. You can tweak this, you can prompt, make this better, or etc. But once you're satisfied, all you need to do is click on this. This is copy, right? So an option that says copy formatting, and just paste it to a blank Google Doc, and you'll be good to go. So if you're interested in trying out Poppy AI, you can get a $25 discount when you click on the link in the description below. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.